Hello, I'm Indroneil, your transformational life coach and Bach Flower therapist. In today's episode, I'll be sharing how Bach Flower therapy is practiced and how this practice is so different from the practice of modern medicine, or for that matter, any other alternative therapy. To understand the essence of the practice of Bach Flower therapy, we need to know first the four cornerstones on which its foundation is laid. These are: number one, being client centric and not remedy centric. Number two, treating underlying emotions and not fixing physical symptoms. Number three, focus on healing individuals and not on curing illness. And number four, getting custom solutions prescribed and not realizing on one-size-fits-all solutions. You will notice that each of these cornerstones necessitates some mindset shifts. Being conditioned to the practice of modern medicine, we, as patients or clients, are conditioned to certain approaches and unconsciously apply them. To understanding the practice of Bach Flower therapy. However, to get maximum benefit out of this therapy, you need to come out of this mindset with an open mind to experience something that is far more subtle and heals at a much deeper layer than most therapies, and therefore an absolutely radical approach to its practice is obvious. About being client-centric and not remedy-centric. Well, there are 38 remedies, and each of them is fascinating in ways they unblock specific aspects of the human persona. So fascinating are these vibrational remedies that it is but natural for many an enthusiast to get hooked to their magical ways of healing. So obsessed are they with the remedies that even while interviewing the client, they are thinking remedies as they pop up in the mind to map to reported symptoms. Now, this does not work. It calls for knowing the client in as much depth as knowing the remedies, if not more. On treating underlying emotions and not fixing physical symptoms. He will never administer a remedy or composite that will fix symptoms but will heal the underlying personal challenges to dissolve them permanently. Having said that, there are remedies and composites that take care of acute conditions and address them with immediacy of effect. On focus on healing individuals and not on curing illness. Every day I get questions like, what is the remedy for diabetes and how can migraine be fixed, so on and so forth. These questions are absolutely irrelevant as Bach Flower therapy considers your physical ailment as a mere symptom, pointing to a far deeper dis-ease that lies hidden in the labyrinths of your persona. He knows that when healing will happen at such levels of depth, the illness will naturally disappear, and it does. On getting custom solutions prescribed and not relying on one-size-fits-all solutions. This is a corollary of the previous cornerstones. While you will find many off-the-shelf Bach Flower mixes that claim to heal specific illnesses, these are not as efficacious as the ones that your therapist creates for you after knowing you and your blocks in depth. I hope this episode helps you in preparing yourself as client to get the best out of Bach Flower therapy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. We'll revert soon. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon. You'll know whenever a new video gets uploaded. Also, if you have found this video useful, press the like button and share it in your network. You'll be doing a world of good.